queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning. Hello, beautiful people. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. We appreciate you, your energy, your style, you coming back to say hi. Okay, we thank you for all of that. If you're new here, welcome to my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you do enjoy the content here, I do hope, baby, that you consider hitting that subscribe button, like, commenting, and leaving. What did I say? Little baby, back up. I hope you like, comment down below, and share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. And if you feeling the energy, the vibes, and all of that good jazz, you know, I hope you hit that subscribe button down right there, little baby. Okay? So, as you guys can see by the title, let's get into it because, baby, we are doing our emergency fund. Let's begin. Okay, y'all, so this is my emergency fund, and I'm not even gonna lie, little baby, I feel a little proud because I made this, bitch. I made this. Ooh, your girl feels hella proud of herself, okay? Point blank and period. So, we're gonna be talking about our emergency fund because, baby, okay? Life be lifing, as my girl Rachel Adamson Budget says, life be lifing, okay? Point blank, period. And this was inspired by my girl Suns and Roses, baby, okay? Baby, she did it, and I was like, ooh, ma'am, yes, hello? So, I'm going to be doing my version and my bills and getting out into my business because you know what? That's what this channel is for y'all to know how I spend my coins. So, we will start off with my expenses. So, for my monthly expenses, we'll be talking about my rent, my car payment, insurance, phone bill, my dad, which I send money to in Jamaica, Netflix, Apple Music, Cricket, groceries, fuel, and allowance. Matter of fact, little baby, let me get this wide out real quick because Cricket ain't that necessary in my life. I'm going to just call a spade and let y'all know what it is. It is what it is. So, Cricket is not on this list no more. But anyways, y'all, so for my monthly expenses that I spend all of these on, for rent, I spend $800 a month. Car payment is $465, but ain't nobody got no time for these cents, okay? So $401. Insurance is $120.90, again with the cents, so it's $121. We like whole numbers. Whole numbers. My phone bill is a cool $45, you know, Verizon is keeping it at that level. Merrick, which is my dad, is $200 a month. Netflix, listen, I thought about, you know, cutting out the Netflix. If you know it has to happen, it has to happen. But for my emergency fund, I'm gonna put it in the budget because I can, okay? Because I can. So Netflix is gonna be $11. Apple Music, listen, I would get rid of Netflix before I get rid of Apple Music because I be bumping in my car going home and to work and when I just feel like it. So, and if I want a song, want to listen to a song, listen, it is what it is. But Apple Music is $15. Groceries for the month, I plan on having $200 because I do $75 now per paycheck. So that's every 2 weeks. But now, you know, if emergency should happen, I feel like 200 is a cute number. I don't want to limit it to just $75, and that's $150. You know, a little extra more. Fuel, baby. I attempted to do $50 per month with my car. That ain't it. So $75 is the goal for fuel, and this fuel is only to work and home. There ain't no playtime in between it. No, we ain't Nikki, ain't no playtime involved. Work and home. That is it. That is all. So that is the $75 right there. And then my allowance, I have it on here because I'm not dead. I be living and I be wanting stuff. I don't know about you, but if emergency should happen, I'm gonna need to have some little coins for me to spend on myself because I'm distressed, okay? If we in an emergency, I'm distressed. And if I'm distressed, I need something, okay, to make me feel better. So my allowance will be getting $200. So those are all my monthly expenses as I've listed them out. Baby, list out yours as you need to. This is not all my bills, but this is the bills that I need to live. So that is what you do for your emergency fund. And this is going to equal to a total of $2,068 monthly. So this is what monthly like I would need to survive if like shit hit the fan and your girl had to go like bare minimum. I mean, they're saying bare minimum, but this is bare minimum for me. This is bare minimum enough. Okay, so if I had to go to this level, this is what your girl would need monthly. Now, I will be filling out the 3 months portion. I'm gonna speed this up for you, little baby, because you don't need to see all that. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So I filled in my 3 months expenses basically for my month. So, you know, basically this is whatever my monthly is times 3, and that came out to a total of $6,204. So that is how much I would need to survive for 3 months, which I didn't think I needed to be this kind of rich bitch, but apparently I do in order for me to survive. Okay, so I need to have me these coins because $6,204 ain't chump change. I mean, it's just not, you know. This car payment is really getting on my nerves since I got back into debt. Child, we gonna talk about it later too. But $6,204 is what I need to survive on 3 months. If shit should hit the fan and your girl is out of a job tomorrow. Okay, so next I'm gonna fill out the 6 months portion, and then baby, we'll get down into here, which is the good jazz of where we currently stand. All right, y'all. So 6 months of me getting my life together, you know, being able to stay at home, big, chill, eat, and survivable. I would need a total, y'all. This is a 5-digit number. Like, how many of y'all expenses is 5 digits for 6 months to survive? Like, child, you know, I need this to go down. And not necessarily go down in the fact that it's too much, but it's the car payment for me. Like, why is you $2,400? Like, you the second most expensive thing on here. I can't wait until I pay off my car and it's all good, baby, and it's all mine. The title, listen, okay, once I have the title in hand, don't talk to me. But anyways, for now, while your girl is paying these bills, in 6 months, I need to have $12,408. That's a whole lot of damn money. Okay, whole lot of damn money, but it's a whole lot of damn money that I need to have. So $12,408 is what I need in 6 months in order for your girl to survive without a paycheck. Okay, point blank period. This ain't counting nothing else, bare bones, no extra, no going out, no doing no extra nothing. $12,408. That's crazy. So now that we have figured out where we need to be for our monthly expenses, our 3 months expenses, and our 6 months expenses, let me tell y'all where your girl is currently at, because you know what, that is the good tea, and here it is. Sip it while it's hot. So my current balance that I have in my emergency fund, okay, is $8,191.93. That is the total amount that I currently have on hand. So for me and my household, we can survive for 3 months. Okay. So for me and my household, we can survive for 3 months, getting it together, living our lives. You feel me? So that is cute. So of this 3 months, what percentage I am? 100. I'm at 100%. Ooh, child, that's not what I needed. That is not what I needed. Not a green dollar sign. I needed a 100%. So I'm 100% fully funded for 3 months because I only needed $6,204 and I have $8,191.93. Okay. Next is my 6 months percentage. So I need a total of $12,408, and I'm currently sitting at $8,191.93. So for my 6 months percentage, the percentage of the 6 months total that I'm sitting at currently is 66%. So I am 66% towards my goal. I'm more than halfway, okay? I did not know that, but you know what? God be looking out, because baby, okay? Baby, the way how these emergencies be hitting you pow pow to the left and the right, just come through out of nowhere, your girl is doing fine. So I am 66% filled off my 6 months total and 100% filled off my 3 months total. Like, talk to me nice. You feel me? Talk to me nice. So my balance that I have remaining towards my 6 months goal is $4,216.07. And that is how much I need in order to fulfill my 6 months emergency goal. Now, take this how you will, okay? Be inspired, be moved, look at it as you see it. Encourage me, okay? Do what you need to do. I encourage you. Make this list. Make your emergency fund list, because child, I told y'all before, I was hit with 3 different emergencies all in one, and COVID was outside still, okay? Roro was still outside. She was still doing her thing, and there was still other emergencies happening, okay? Y'all remember winter last year when the South was getting all sorts of hit? Child, guess who's in the South for winter this year, okay? So I am staying strapped with my emergency fund, and I would encourage you to do the same. So anyways, child, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessings, okay? Point blank in period. If you do enjoy the content on this here little channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button over there. I think it's over there. Over there. I think it's over there. I'm gonna just go, it's over there. So hit that subscribe button, and remember y'all, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real, so keep it real, sis, keep it real, sir, okay? My name is AnekeAnnakay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you want to get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.